Okay, so technique 101, finger exercises. This is the first thing we're going to do to get you really playing the guitar. If you've never played the guitar or any fretted instrument before, it's going to be a little bit to build up that strength in your fingers and the dexterity, okay? So this is why I'm giving you a finger exercise. It's just like running a lap in gym class or anything like that. Treat it like an exercise. It has no tonal value. It doesn't sound good at all, right? So let's jump in. First things first. With our left hand, we have 4 fingers. It's your first finger, second, third, and fourth fingers, and we're going to call them those, right? First, second, third, fourth fingers. So for this exercise, what we're going to do is put our first finger behind the first fret of the 6th string. Now remember, try to play with the tip of your finger, come straight down. Make sure you get a good sound. If you hear buzzing, right? Work at it. You want to be right behind the fret and get a good sound. Then we're going to do second finger behind the second fret of the 6th string. Keep going. Third finger behind the 3rd fret. Fourth finger behind the 4th fret. Now this might be a little bit of a stretch, and the 3rd and 4th fingers especially might be hard to get a good sound. So take it slow. You're going to have to work on it. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on each string set. So let's go over to the 5th string. First finger, 1st fret. Second finger, 2nd fret. Third finger, 3rd fret. So on and so forth. Onto the 4th string. Now, when we reach the end, so we end with our pinky on the 4th fret of the 1st string. Slide up. This is up in sound, right? Up in pitch, up the fretboard. So go up 1 fret, so your pinky is now on the 5th fret of the 1st string. And now we're going to reverse the sequence. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1 on each string. Now remember, we're talking about fingers, not the frets. So 4th finger, starting at the 5th fret. 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. And then when we get here, what do? Bump up 1 more. And then we go forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, bump up. 4, 3, 2, 1, bump up. 1, 2, 3, 4, bump up. We're going to take it all the way up the neck. It's important to do this with a metronome and do it slow, right? So here's how this works. So there's a metronome. These are going to be quarter notes, right? A quarter note means it's every beat. So every single time you hear that click, you're going to play one of these notes. Now that might be too fast for you, right? Or that might be too slow. But the point is you want to pick a speed that is comfortable because you're going for accuracy here. You're not trying to get as fast as you can, as quick as possible. That's 84 on the metronome, right? Not too fast, not too slow. The goal is not to be able to do that at 160 and be, sloppy, right? The goal is to be accurate and come down on beat with each one of those. So I'm going to play an example of what I want you to post a video of, doing this exercise up to the 12th fret. If you do it correctly, your last note is going to be your pinky on the 12th fret of the 1st string. So here we go. There you go. Good luck. And remember, don't speed up your metronome until you can do it perfectly at one speed already. Good luck. I'm looking forward to your video.